black spots.
Unsnap the bezel from the back assembly, starting from the camera side, working your way around the edges. Watch for the sharp edges that can cut your fingers. Remove the 4 screws holding the LCD screen to the back assembly. Remove the antenna and cables from the LCD hinges. Carefully lift the screen and unplug the camera cable behind the LCD screen. Remove the 4 screws, 2 on the right, 2 on the left, to remove the mounting rails. Replace the mounting rails. Secure it with the 4 screws, 2 on the right, 2 on the left. Plug the cable into the camera. Place the screen into the back assembly, secure it with the 4 screws. Place the display bezel onto the display assembly. With your fingers, work around the edges while snapping the bezel into place.
We hope you found this tutorial useful. All parts discussed in this tutorial can be found at partspeople.com.